G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a taste test on a brew that we did together. I'll show you some footage of that if you're interested. Sarah and I have made a beer together. I gave her a kit, we did an opening. I've shared that on Patreon. Only the patrons can actually watch that video. If you're interested to become a patron, you can have a look at it. Only costs $1 a month. On that, this is a Morgan's lager. It's a Blue Mountains lager, and it's a beautiful beer. What I hear, and basically we fermented it in just 21 degrees Celsius, which is quite strange. But Sarah made it. I just walked her through it. There is video of me helping her make it and helping her bottle it. It's been bottled now for 2.5 weeks. A little bit of sediment in the bottom. We're going to pour it. We're going to open her up. Crack it open here. If you can see this. Not much of a hiss. That's a worry.
Yeah, that's not a good time.
I'll pour Sarah's first and see what she thinks. Oh no, it's alright. Got a bit of it going on. Not that... Oh, it's nice and clear though, look at that.
Yeah, it is.
That is not the best. I mean, it's nice and clean and clear. And someone commented that those bubbles around there means we've got not a very clean glass.
Oh.
But I've cleaned these really well, and they're still... Well, this is just not...
It's just not frothy.
It's not bubbly at all.
No.
It's not bubbly.
Alright, let's smell it. Smells good.
Does it?
Yeah, I reckon. But
It actually smells like beer.
Yeah.
Well, that's a good thing. Last time I tasted this when it first finished fermenting, well, another tongue twister, it did have a bit of a very yeasty smell to it. It still has one.
Yeah.
But not as bad. Oh, it does smell like beer though. It smells like the first home brew I did, basically.
Yeah.
It really does.
Was it a similar one to this one?
Oh my god, that's a tasty beer. That is very nice. I'm sorry, but I like this. It's refreshing. It's not powerful or strong. It's got good bubbly. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like in the window there. It's got good carbonation. It's not protein rich, but it's one of those summery drinks that you can drink all the time. I am shocked. I hadn't tasted this for nearly 2.5 weeks, just because I wanted to let it age, and it's come out phenomenal. Yeah. I don't know if Sarah likes it, but it's got a sweet to it. The yeasty smell's disappearing now because I'm probably used to it now.
It does have that bouquet
taste. We're reading up about it just in case we didn't know what to call it and how to do it, but it has a, like Sarah was saying, a bouquet flavour or smell to it. The yeast is disappearing now. I can smell the normal beerish smell. It does taste lagery, which is amazing, but not rich in proteins. I'm ecstatic. This is a really nice beer. And Sarah's going to take her beer home with her and give it to her partner. And he's a beer drinker, isn't he?
Yeah, he's a beer drinker.
He likes a good beer.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that will be a telltale on how good it might be. And I'm also going to keep a couple here if she doesn't mind me doing that.
Oh, not at all. You're welcome to have as many as you like.
Because I'm going to invite some people over to try it out with me. Karen has asked me to come over and do some videos with me, and I'm glad to get her over here and we'll do it. Morgan's have put up a little write-up on this product, and I was quite because I'm shocked at how nice this actually tastes. I'm happy to read it out to you, and this is how they describe their own beer. Morgan's classic products are born from the traditional skills of the master maltster, where careful roasting and kilning nurture the release of nature's full flavours and aromas.
Morgan's Brewing Company uses only the highest quality 2-row barley and premium grade hops to produce this range of beer kits.
Their unique kettling guarantees the superb final clarity of this truly superior brew.
You've got it.
I have to say, it's really nice. It reminds me of a commercial beer. It's got a bit of... It hasn't got much bitterness. I thought it would, but it doesn't have a lot of bitterness. And it doesn't say anything about it having bitterness. We've got a dog here because this is Sarah's little dog. Keeps popping a little head up there, as you can probably see. She's always here when we're doing any kind of video.
Yeah. So, as someone who's not knowledgeable about beer in any way...
I'm not a beer drinker, really, are you?
No.
Pardon me.
Well, I can't really taste much.
It's not...
It's I think I need a few sips before I can really figure it out.
It's not...
Definitely tastes of flour taste.
Oh yeah, floral.
Yeah.
Like that a bit of hops,
Yeah.
which I can't taste. I like it though, it's very nice.
Yeah, very refreshing. Good for a nice hot day.
Yeah, if we sat out and around the barbecue
Yeah.
on a hot day and had a barbie and some chips, and the chips.
Meat.
Sausages and barbecue, would pop a glass of this and you go, holy crap, that's good. It's really relaxing and it's enjoyable. So I'm really happy with that. I'm sure
bad.
Sarah sounds like she doesn't mind it either. That one can go in the bin because it's got
The end.
dregs in the bottom.
Does that happen to most beers?
Yeah. Well, with homebrew, because when we put the little hot pellets or little carbonators in there, they
Just falls.
the yeast eats the sugar and grows, and that's what it is. It's all yeast in the bottom.
Oh, right. So that doesn't come out when you first... So when it's in the brewing bucket.
It does, but there's still always a little bit of yeast left in it, and then you feed it a little bit more. It goes, oh, more, and it keeps eating, then breeds again, and you get more yeast in the bottom. So if you buy So if you go to Dan Murphy's and you buy craft beer, a lot of those craft beer shops have the same thing. They have a little bits of yeast at the bottom.
Oh.
It doesn't hurt you. You just pour it so it doesn't come out.
I reckon we should, if this one turned out, I reckon we should try another one.
Oh.
I'm pretty keen on doing it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, do you want to do a mead this time?
Yeah, let's
We'll
do
do a mead next time, okay. I'll get all the ingredients to get it ready. We'll do a mead.
Yeah.
So you heard her.
Sounds awesome.
You heard her. We're going to do a mead next brew. And I have to say though, I did film us making this beer, but the audio turned out really bad. So, and the video was like pink in colour, so there was something really wrong with how I was filming it. And I'm not really happy to show you guys that one. It's one of the first videos I've done that I'm really not happy to give to you. But I'll give you some snippets, and I'll post some snippets on my Patreon page. And if you're interested, sign up on Patreon and donate $1 a month, and you'll get to see these videos as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers!
Bye!